Welcome to 100-Year Health, a channel dedicated to understanding the human body, healthy living, and the science behind everyday health questions. Have you ever noticed your stomach suddenly making a loud rumbling sound, especially when the room is quiet? It might happen during a meeting, while sitting in class, or even late at night when you are trying to fall asleep. The sound can sometimes feel surprisingly loud, almost like your stomach is announcing itself to everyone around you. Many people immediately assume that stomach noises only happen when they are hungry, but the truth is a bit more interesting. Your stomach and intestines are constantly moving, processing food, fluids, and even air throughout the day. These movements are part of the digestive system's normal activity, and they continue whether you have just eaten a meal or not. To understand why these sounds happen, we first need to look at how digestion works. Inside your digestive system is a long muscular tube that begins at the mouth and continues all the way through the stomach and intestines. This system is responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and moving waste through the body. The digestive tract does this using a special type of movement called peristalsis. Peristalsis is a series of wave-like muscle contractions that push food, liquid, and digestive fluids forward through the digestive system. These muscles contract and relax in a coordinated pattern, gradually moving material along the digestive tract. Even when you are not eating, these muscles do not stop working. Your digestive system continues to move small amounts of fluid, air, and leftover food particles through the stomach and intestines. As these materials move through narrow sections of the digestive tract, they can sometimes create vibrations or pressure changes. Those vibrations are what produce the rumbling or gurgling sounds you hear. These sounds are known medically as borborygmi. Although the word may sound unusual, it simply refers to the normal noises created by movement inside the digestive system. In many cases, the sounds become more noticeable when the stomach is relatively empty. When there is less food inside the stomach and intestines, the movements of fluid and air can create louder echoes inside the digestive tract. But hunger is only one possible reason for stomach noises. There are several other fascinating processes happening inside the body that can influence when and why these sounds appear. One of the main reasons stomach noises often become louder when you are hungry is related to a process called the migrating motor complex. This is a pattern of muscular activity that occurs in the digestive system between meals. When the stomach and intestines are mostly empty, the body begins a type of cleaning cycle that helps clear out leftover food particles, bacteria, and digestive fluids. During this cycle, the muscles of the stomach and small intestine contract in stronger, more coordinated waves than usual. These waves move through the digestive tract and help prepare the system for the next meal. As air and small amounts of fluid move along with these contractions, they can create the rumbling sounds we often associate with hunger. Because there is less food present to absorb or soften the movement, these sounds can echo more loudly through the stomach and intestines. This is why stomach noises often appear before meals or several hours after eating. Another reason these sounds can become more noticeable has to do with how the digestive system handles air. Every time you eat, drink, or even swallow saliva, small amounts of air enter the digestive tract. Normally, this air moves through the stomach and intestines without you noticing it. However, when the muscles of the digestive tract push this air along with fluids and partially digested food, it can create small pockets of pressure. As these pockets move through narrow sections of the intestines, they can produce gurgling or bubbling sounds. The environment around you can also influence how noticeable stomach noises feel. In busy environments with background noise, you may not notice these digestive sounds at all, but in quiet situations, such as a silent room, a classroom, or a meeting, even small internal sounds can suddenly become very noticeable. Your body is producing these sounds throughout the day, but your awareness of them often changes depending on your surroundings. Another interesting factor is how the digestive system communicates with the brain. The digestive tract contains its own network of nerves, sometimes called the enteric nervous system. This network helps control digestion, coordinate muscle contractions, and regulate the movement of food and fluids. Because of this complex communication system, digestion continues automatically, even when you are not consciously thinking about it. But there are still a few other factors that can influence when stomach noises become louder or more frequent. Several everyday habits can also influence how often stomach noises occur and how noticeable they become. One common factor is how quickly you eat. When people eat very quickly, they often swallow more air along with their food. This extra air can travel into the stomach and intestines, where it mixes with digestive fluids and partially digested food. As the digestive muscles move these materials through the digestive tract, the trapped air can create additional rumbling or bubbling sounds. Slowing down while eating and chewing food more thoroughly can sometimes reduce the amount of air that enters the digestive system. Another factor is the type of food you eat. Certain foods naturally produce more gas during digestion. Foods that contain complex carbohydrates or large amounts of fiber can be broken down by bacteria in the intestines, producing small amounts of gas in the process. As this gas moves through the digestive tract, it can contribute to the sounds you hear coming from your stomach or intestines. Drinks that contain carbonation can also introduce additional gas into the digestive system. The bubbles in carbonated beverages release gas inside the stomach, which can later move through the intestines and create gurgling sounds. Stress and emotional states may also affect digestion. The digestive system is closely connected to the nervous system. When a person feels stressed or anxious, the body may change how quickly the digestive muscles contract or how sensitive the digestive tract becomes. These changes can sometimes make stomach movements feel stronger or more noticeable. Despite how loud these sounds may seem, stomach noises are usually a completely normal sign that the digestive system is active and working as it should. Your digestive system is constantly moving fluids, breaking down food, and preparing nutrients for absorption. The sounds you hear are simply the result of these natural processes taking place inside the body. By understanding these signals, we can better appreciate how active and complex the digestive system really is. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy learning about the human body and the science behind everyday health questions, make sure to follow the channel for more videos like this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who might find it useful too. Stay healthy, take care of your body, and see you in the next video. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for medical concerns.